Hey, I'm Rat Salt, and welcome to the SEMA Show. Today we're highlighting some of the brand new special products here at the SEMA Show, and we came across MaxTrac over here. Bob Sager, man, great to have you out. How's the show been going for you today?
It's been very good today. Everything's going great. We're showing off new products. We got a lot of new customers, a lot of returning customers, so it's been a good day.
So, Bob, you guys have so many great suspension components, from full lifts to leveling kits, but something new this year. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we got back to our roots. We've been working on some four-wheel drive kits over the last couple of years, but we started out in the two-wheel drive business, and that's where our mainstay is two-wheel drive. So we came out with our 2019-2020 Chevy half-ton 6.5-inch lift or 3.5-inch lift, and for the half-ton Chevys and GMCs, it's working out great.
Something that's really cool, you were telling me about the price. It's a direct bolt-on, but man, under $1,000. That is amazing in the off-road world.
Oh, it is, and that's probably the biggest thing. People don't realize when they do the two-wheel drive lifts, you don't have a lot of the cross members, all the stuff you have to put on them. It's a very simple kit to install. The spindles are a factory replacement spindle. That means you're not cutting anything, you're not welding anything. You're taking the old spindle off, you're putting the new spindle on, and you're creating a lift out of it. It's very simple.
And you talk about that being easy to install. Anybody could just basically buy this kit and put it on in their garage with a few jack stands and a few tools.
That's it. That's the biggest thing about our company is most of the customers, end user, retail customer, if he has got any kind of background in an automotive, he can put one of these kits on very simply. The only thing he has to do is go and get it aligned after he's done. But this one's such a direct replacement, we don't even change the brake lines on it. Most of our kits, they have new brake lines. We don't even need to do the new brake lines on this. So they don't even have to mess with the brakes on this one anymore. So it's a very simple kit to install.
That's a big deal, because even some smaller kits you have to replace the brake lines as well.
Yeah, and it makes it great. So everything is a direct replacement off of this kit. So and simple, like you said, under $1,000, you get a complete lift kit, 6.5-inch lift kit, 37-inch tall tires.
So, Bob, thanks again for having us out. Yeah, it's great to see you taking your products to the next level, as always. And we're looking forward to a great year and seeing some of these trucks out on the trail.
We are too. We can't wait to see this one out. And it is available now. That's another thing. A lot of people look at the new products that are coming out and they go, oh, I'm going to get it in January. No, this is available now. That means your customer can go out and buy that right now.
So order it up, folks. You can get yours. Go to their website. Check it out. We had a great time here with these guys, and we have more product highlights coming your way right here from the SEMA Show.